Movies. I'd like to ask this question which Ankur just asked. How many of you like, rather love movies? So the theme for the day says that movies as an inspiration. So all of us watch movies. So I think it goes without saying that if all of us watch movies, then all of us either get entertained or sometimes get inspired by movies. There are many movies which have inspired me, and what really inspires me about some of the Bollywood inspirational movies more than anything else is the hummable songs, especially the ones that I hear in the last few years. In terms of inspirational movies, the movie that I really loved was a movie about a father and his son and how they are together in one of Hitler's concentration camps. How many of you have heard or are aware of the concentration camps? So this was where the prisoners used to be tortured and where the big Holocaust during the World War happened during Hitler's regime. And what the father does is, I think for half of the movie, first of all, how many of you have watched the movie Life is Beautiful? Yeah, so this is for those of you who haven't watched it, and those who have watched it can probably relive the scenes from the movie. The father makes the entire episode of the concentration camp appear like a game to his son. And he never gets to know what is actually happening. And it goes to such an extent that he always infuses hope and a lot of fun element into however he is dealing with his son. And at the end, when he is actually about to die, he is on the verge of dying, he still doesn't let his son know what is actually happening about the Holocaust. So this is one of the movies that has been really inspirational to me. You know something, it's not only the movies which inspire us, it's also the filmmakers who get inspired by real individuals or real personalities. So it's a chicken and egg story. Whether it's the movie that inspires you or apparently common people who've done great things who have done something worthwhile who inspire movies. Like any such movies which come to mind? Many would come to mind, I'm sure.
Pursuit of Happiness.
Yes. A couple of them come to my mind as well. Yes. Invictus, one which is, of course, Lagan, Gandhi, all these are there. In the Hollywood movies, there was a movie called as Invictus with Nelson Mandela. And on the other side, there was another movie,
Beautiful Mind.
Pursuit of Happiness.
Pursuit of Happiness. Shawshank Redemption. So the other movie which, of course there are also movies, you need not have only movies about illustrious people. You have movies like Atahasa. Atahasa was about Veerappan. And you also had a movie called as The Dirty Picture. So whatever it is, there are a lot of movies which get inspired by real life people as well. Now, coming to one real life person who had a lot of struggles, one person who had a lot of struggles in his life, or rather in what he wanted to pursue as a vision, and then he went on to make it a reality. That is the person who actually founded the organization all of us are a part of today. And the name of that person is Dr. Ralph C. Smedley, who in the year 1924 realized the need for a forum to help improve the communication skills of the youth who used to come for the YMCA meetings. This was in California, and this was just almost exactly 90 years back. So because it happened on the 22nd of October, 1924, that the Toastmasters International was founded way back in a very, very simple setting at a place called as Santa Ana, California. So what happens in a typical Toastmasters meeting? In a typical Toastmasters meeting, we have 3 sessions. The first session that we have is the prepared speeches session. The second session is the session of impromptu speeches. And the third session is the session of the most important session, which is the session where the feedback is given to all the people who have either spoken or taken up the roles. Now, the third session is called the evaluation session or the general evaluation session. To take the meeting, or rather to evaluate today's meeting, today we've got 4 prepared speakers. We have a table topic session and we'll be having the evaluation session as well. So there is a person who's going to be taking charge of the evaluation. Now this person is a fan of the entire Hangover series of movies, because this person believes that it's very important to have fun at the end of the day. If you've not lived your life and really had fun, then what is it? I mean, what kind of, what do you have to say in terms of having lived your life? This person is an entrepreneur and a very active member of our club. Please put your hands together to welcome the general evaluator for the day, Sapna, who is going to explain her role and also introduce her team of assignees.